Ready? Do 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 do. Okay, sentate acá. Sentate aqui, sentate.
Okay, would you, Edith, would you sit behind the little kids? Yay! Thank you. Yes. Good song.
Is this your little sister?
For a Christmas puppet show?
She wants to sing my lap.
Are
Yeah.
you ready for a Christmas puppet show? Yeah, that's how I like it.
Look at my brother's gonna do anything I say. Roll over, Yessie.
It was the night before Christmas when all through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the tree with hair.
Hey, look at
They
this
hoped
hair.
that St.
Is this a mouse?
soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. Mama in her kerchief and I in my cap had settled
Sid, crisscross applesauce. Crisscross applesauce.
when out on the lawn there arose such a clatter. I sprang from my bed to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, tore open the shutter and threw up the sash. The moon on the breast of the new fallen snow gave a luster of midday to objects below. When what to my wondering eyes should appear
Wait, what happened?
but a miniature sleigh, 8 tiny reindeer, with a little old driver, so lively and quick. I knew in a moment it must be St. Nick. More rapid than eagles, his horses they came, and he whistled and shouted and called them by name.
No Dasher, no Dancer, no Prancer and Vixen. On Comet, on Cupid, on Donner and Blitzen. To the top of the porch, to the top of the wall. Now dash away, dash away, dash away. All.
Riley sat before the wild hurricane fly. When they an obstacle,
She knows all that.
so up to the housetop, the horses they flew.
I need to go to bed too.
St. Nicholas.
Karen,
And then,
Karen,
twinkling an
I need to
eye
go to bed too. Karen.
the prancing in the window
This is mine.
turning around. Down the Saint Nicholas came with a bound. He dressed all in furs from his head to his foot, and his clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. A bundle of toys he flung on his back, and he looked like a beggar just opening his pack. His eyes, how they twinkled, his dimples, how merry. His cheeks rose like roses, his nose like a cherry. His whole little mouth was drawn up like a bow, and the beard on his chin was as white as the snow. The stump held tight, held tight in his teeth, and the smoke it encircled his head like a wreath. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He was chubby and plump, a right jolly old elf, and I laughed when I saw him in spite of myself. A wink of his eye and a twist of his head, he gave me to know I had nothing to dread. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, and he filled all the stockings and turned and laying his finger aside his nose, and giving a nod, up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like a down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim ere they drove out of sight.
Happy Christmas to all, and woe of the night.